Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming requirements so the installer runs smoothly. Make sure your desktop meets OS and disk space needs and that you have a stable connection. Next, open your current browser and search for Google Chrome or use your system's App Store. This avoids fake downloads. Once you locate the official Chrome download link or store entry, click the Download button to fetch the installer file. Stay focused here, because this launcher starts the whole installation process. Now run the installer you just downloaded and respond to system prompts. On Windows or Mac OS, you'll likely need to allow admin permissions. Grant them so the installer can place files correctly. Make choices about whether Chrome becomes your default browser and whether to enable sync. Enabling sync connects bookmarks and passwords, but requires signing into a Google account. Make a desktop shortcut if you want easy access. Once the installer finishes, Chrome will launch automatically or be available. Finish by signing into Chrome to restore your bookmarks, extensions, and passwords. This makes your browser feel familiar. Then open settings to adjust privacy controls, default search engine, and extension permissions so performance and security match your needs. If Chrome doesn't launch or install correctly, don't panic. Retry running the installer as an administrator, delete the current installer and re-download it, and temporarily disable antivirus if it blocks installation. If issues persist, reboot and try again before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.